How many languages can you speak?
English, Italian, French, Polska, English.
Malagasy?
Malagasy, yeah.
You speak Polish?
5. Yeah, I speak Polish.
It is. Cheers. As we're enjoying our beers, a friendly kid comes over to try to sell us magnets. What's your name? Cristiano? I'm Drew. How old are you?
11.
11. How many magnets can you sell in one day?
20.
Okay, how much do you earn in one day?
Yeah, 40.
40,000. 40,000. That's not bad.
So what happens if you don't sell anything today?
He will not eat if he doesn't sell magnets.
You will not eat? Cristiano, tomorrow we're gonna see you, okay?
Meeting Cristiano is such a bright moment, and it's super easy to be around him. The next day, we meet up again so he can show us what a normal day in his life looks like. So, do you come to the beach every day?
Yeah.
And what do you do on the beach?
I work and look tourists for magnets and look at that hot cup.
He gave me a present. Thank you. Thank you. Aww.
What kind of tourists come here? What countries are they from?
And Poland.
Poland?
Yeah.
How many languages can you speak?
English, Italian, French, Polska, English.
Malagasy?
Malagasy, yeah.
You speak Polish?
5. Yeah, I speak Polish.
Jak se máš?
Dobrze, okay?
Is your job difficult? You have school tomorrow, right?
Yeah.
We want to take you shopping to buy a new backpack.
Pens,
Pens and
colors, pencils.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Have you ever eaten here?
Now,
Why?
because this is very, very expensive. But we go in the security, we ask or we can or we not can.
We're going to eat at this restaurant. Me and Deanna are going to treat you to a meal. Anything you want to eat.
Yeah.
Any big fish from the sea you can order.
Okay, no problem.
Cristiano wants to go for a swim while we're waiting for the food, and I'm going to give him the Osmo. So Cristiano just ran into the water with my camera, and he's just jumping around, playing with his friends, and he's seemingly trying to figure out how to use the camera.
Are you cold? Stay in the sun for a while. So look, yes.
Come here. Yeah. How's the water?
It's very, very nice.
Oh my God.
Wow.
Wow.